because I couldn't wait. I was so excited. And hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi, a makeup artist and an esthetician. This video is going to be all about this sunscreen. I recently purchased it because I ran out of my regular sunscreen, Haru Wonder. Honestly, I wanted to get back the Haru Wonder, but I'm like, okay, you know, why don't I try something new, something different, and who knows. And then I saw two different Anuas, but I decided to go with this one because I saw, okay, mineral weightless finished sunscreen. I'm like, okay, it's going to be who knows, maybe another favorite of mine. And then I purchased it, and honestly I did a review on this on my Instagram because I couldn't wait. I was so excited. And the thing is, as a dark skinned person, I always struggle to get a sunscreen that, you know, does not leave white casts. Now let's get straight into it. Let me just stop rambling about. I think this cost about £16 or thereabouts. I feel like there's on the cap is a bit hollow in the middle, and I feel like maybe you can use it to measure out your sunscreen. So I will just be swatching it on the back of my hand for you guys to see. I've just put a little bit and this is what it looks like. I'll leave you guys to be the judge. Like I said, I've used this before, so I'll leave you guys to be the judge. So this is me trying as hard as possible, you know, to blend it into my skin. This is it. So anyway, on Instagram I did try it out, and I'm going to tell you honestly, I spent over 5 minutes trying to blend this into my skin as I am doing. Can you see the struggle? And remember that I took very little, so I tried and tried and tried and tried and tried and tried to blend this into my skin. We have here, I was just looking like a ghost. I couldn't believe it, honestly. I could not believe it. Yes, I know it's mineral sunscreen and everything, but honestly, why would I want to walk about looking like this? So at the end of the day, I'm like, you know what? I should have just stuck to my Haru Wonder, my original sunscreen, but that's it. But I thought, even though, you know, clearly I know the outcome of this sunscreen, that it leaves white casts, I said it would be nice to come out here and help a fellow sister like me who is out there, who is wondering, considering getting this sunscreen. I mean, you have to reconsider, because unless you want to go about looking like this, like a ghost, because trust me, after the first day I tried it, I tried to use it on another day, but I couldn't go outside. It was just that bad. So it's not something that I would, you know, ever, I won't even repurchase it. I'll find someone to give this to, or if I have to use this, you know that I won't be stepping out of the house. But then again, someone in the comments told me that there's another Anua that doesn't leave a white cast. I should have gone for that one, but the reason why I went for this one is because I saw it was weightless. I was like, okay, if it's weightless, you know, most likely it won't leave white cast. But lo and behold, I was wrong, and that's it. So that's my verdict. That's that's what this is. That's how this is on my skin, you know. So maybe if you are, let me know if you have used this before, especially if, because I know if you're dark skin, clearly it's going to leave a white cast. I'm curious to know if, you know, people who are lighter in complexion, if this did leave white cast on their faces as well. And honestly, I'm happy to give this away. I'll just find someone who you know, doesn't have issues with this, and I'll give it away out, and then I'll move on, count my losses. So basically that's it for this video. Let me know if you want other kinds of videos you want to see on my channel. I'll be more than happy to, you know, if I can do the review on them or give you my opinion, I'll be more than happy to come on and give you my opinion. And with that being said, I'll catch you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.